Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best solar-powered security cameras. These smart guardians bring together protection and innovation, ensuring round-the-clock surveillance of your surroundings. From deterring intruders to providing real-time monitoring, today's list will empower you with safety and control. It's time to take charge of your security and let these cameras be your trusted eyes and ears. Let's dive right in. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth solar-powered security camera in our list is the Reolink Cellular security camera, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. What sets this camera apart is its ability to operate independently using a cellular connection, making it ideal for areas without traditional internet connectivity. From remote locations at construction sites to rural properties, it's a versatile option that eliminates the need for a Wi-Fi network. With real-time alerts and live feed access on your smartphone or computer, you can stay connected no matter where you are. The Reolink Cellular security camera captures sharp and clear video footage in high-definition resolution, ensuring exceptional image quality. Whether it's day or night, advanced night vision technology guarantees detailed images even in low-light conditions. This provides around-the-clock surveillance for your property, offering peace of mind at all times. Setting up the camera is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface. You can easily customize monitoring preferences and control settings using the dedicated Reolink app. Access live streams, review recorded footage, and receive instant motion detection alerts with seamless compatibility for both iOS and Android devices. Durability and weather resistance are also key features of the Reolink Cellular security camera. It's built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including rain, snow, dust, and extreme temperatures. Mounted on a wall or use as stand, it's engineered for long-lasting performance, making it suitable for continuous outdoor use. In terms of security and privacy, Reolink prioritizes user protection. Multiple security protocols such as SSL encryption and HTTPS ensure secure data transmission. Your footage and personal information remain safe from unauthorized access. Just a heads up, the cellular functionality of this camera requires an active cellular data plan, which may incur additional costs based on your chosen service provider and data usage. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a security camera that has cellular operation coupled with high-quality image resolution, advanced night vision, and weather-resistant design. The fourth solar power security camera in our list is the ZUMIMALL Solar Camera Security, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. Whether you want to protect your property, keep an eye on your surroundings, or monitor specific areas of interest, the ZUMIMALL Solar Camera Security is a compelling choice. This camera is a versatile and feature-packed outdoor security camera that harnesses the power of solar energy for continuous surveillance. With its wireless design, advanced motion detection, and exceptional image quality, it provides reliable and efficient monitoring for your home or business. One of the standout features of the security camera is its solar-powered operation. Equipped with a built-in solar panel, it can recharge its batteries using the sun's energy, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements or complicated wiring setups. This eco-friendly design ensures that the camera remains powered and operational day and night, even in locations with limited access to electrical outlets. The camera's image quality is also excellent, providing crisp and clear video footage in high-definition resolution. Whether it's capturing detailed images during the day or utilizing infrared night vision for low-light conditions, it ensures that your property is under constant surveillance, delivering sharp and detailed visuals for accurate identification. What's more, the motion detection feature of the security camera is top-notch. It uses advanced algorithms to accurately detect movement, significantly reducing false alerts triggered by non-threatening activities like moving leaves or passing vehicles. When motion is detected, it sends instant push notifications to your mobile device, keeping you informed of any potential security breaches in real time. In terms of storage options, this one offers flexible choices. You can store footage locally using a micro SD card, ensuring continuous recording even if your internet connection is temporarily unavailable. Alternatively, you can opt for cloud storage, which provides secure remote access to your recordings, safeguarding your data in case the camera is damaged or stolen. However, the security camera typically does not offer professional monitoring services. While it can send real-time alerts to your smartphone, there may be limitations in terms of round-the-clock monitoring or the ability to dispatch emergency services in case of a security breach. So before you make your purchase, we recommend checking whether professional monitoring is a requirement for your security needs. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a security camera that combines convenience, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology to meet your security needs. The third solar power security camera on our list is the eufy Security Outdoor SoloCam, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Embrace a new era of security and experience true serenity with the eufy Security Outdoor SoloCam by your side. This camera is an impressive outdoor security camera that offers reliable surveillance and advanced features to enhance your home security. One of the standout features of it is the exceptional image quality. It captures crystal clear video footage in high-definition resolution, allowing you to see every detail with precision. Whether it's monitoring your front yard, driveway, or backyard, it delivers sharp and vivid visuals, ensuring you have a clear view of any activity or potential security threats. Installation of the eufy Security Outdoor SoloCam is also quick and hassle-free. It comes with a mounting kit and a magnetic base, allowing you to easily position the camera in the desired location. Plus, the camera is weatherproof and built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance year-round. Another impressive feature of the camera is its integration with the eufy Security app. The app allows you to remotely access and control the camera, view live feeds, review recorded footage, and customize settings based on your preferences. It is user-friendly and offers a seamless interface, making it easy to navigate and manage your security system. In terms of storage, the SoloCam supports local storage using an SD card or cloud storage subscription. This gives you the flexibility to choose the storage option that best suits your needs. The cloud storage option provides convenient access to your recordings from anywhere, ensuring your footage is securely stored and easily retrievable. What's more, it features two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors or potential intruders through the camera's built-in microphone and speaker. This can be a useful feature for remote communication or as a deterrent to unwanted activity. While the eufy Security Outdoor SoloCam offers many advantages, there are a few areas that could be improved. Firstly, the camera's field of view is fixed and may not cover a wide area, depending on your specific monitoring needs. Additionally, advanced features such as person detection or facial recognition are not available with this camera, which may be a drawback for those seeking more advanced security capabilities. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a security camera with convenient mobile app integration and sleek design. The second solar power security camera in our list is the Soliom Spotlight Security Camera, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Capture every detail, deter potential threats, and experience a new level of security with the Soliom Spotlight Security Camera. This security camera is a reliable and feature-packed outdoor surveillance solution that brings advanced functionality and peace of mind to your home security setup. One of the standout features of this model is its built-in spotlight, which serves as both a deterrent and an aid for capturing clear footage during low-light conditions. The bright and adjustable spotlight illuminates the areas when motion is detected, enhancing visibility and enabling clear identification of subjects in the camera's field of view. Our team also liked the camera's wide-angle lens that offers a broad field of view, allowing you to monitor a larger area from a single vantage point. This can be particularly beneficial for covering expansive outdoor spaces such as front yards, driveways, or gardens with minimal blind spots. However, one area that could be improved is the storage options available with a Soliom Spotlight security camera. Currently, it primarily relies on local storage using an SD card. Although this method allows for the storage of recorded footage, there are some limitations to consider. For instance, the SD card may have limited capacity, potentially restricting the amount of footage that can be saved. Additionally, manual management of recorded footage may be required, which can be time-consuming. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a security camera with a powerful spotlight, crystal-clear video quality, and intelligent detection capabilities. The best solar-powered security camera on our list is the Ring Stick-Up Cam Solar HD, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The standout feature of the Ring Stick-Up Cam Solar HD is its solar-powered functionality. Equipped with a built-in solar panel, this camera continuously charges its battery, eliminating the need for manual recharging or battery replacements. This eco-friendly feature ensures uninterrupted operation while reducing the hassle of maintenance. When it comes to video quality, this security camera truly excels. It delivers clear and sharp high-definition footage, capturing detailed images and videos both during the day and at night. With its exceptional night vision capability, it provides reliable surveillance even in challenging low-light conditions, ensuring a clear view of potential security events. Seamless integration with the Ring ecosystem is another notable feature of this camera. Through the user-friendly Ring app, you can gain access to live video feeds, recorded footage, and customizable settings tailored to your specific security preferences. The camera also supports two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors or deter intruders using the built-in microphone and speaker. Moreover, the Ring Stick-Up Cam Solar HD can be seamlessly integrated with other Ring devices, creating a comprehensive home security network. This interconnected ecosystem expands your surveillance coverage and enables notifications from multiple cameras and Ring devices, offering a holistic approach to home protection. Now let's dive into an important aspect to consider with the Soliom Spotlight security camera. Ongoing cloud storage for recorded videos is available but requires a subscription beyond the free trial period. This additional cost consideration is worth noting for users who value extended cloud storage and prioritize easy accessibility to their recorded footage. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a security camera that has solar-powered capabilities, high-definition video quality, and seamless integration. And there you have it, folks, our best solar-powered security cameras, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next solar-powered security camera roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.